sa ni siya ang Philippine
National anthem.
General Knowledge Quiz.
Nara, ma'am.
Ah.
Ano nag-uuma na ang bibi na napildi sa eleksyon. Tama ka manghatag doon.
Oh.
Napilbi na si bibi na.
Oh.
Nag-uwas bibi na, di na kalingkod.
Oo na, ay mong leader, nakapalit na ma.
Agoy, baka.
Ah.
Lima ka baka.
Gikupras
Ang
ang
kwarta, gikupras man, bibi.
Oh,
No.
yeah. Oh, karon ang atong premyo sa makasakto sa answer, premyohan ako og
10,000.
4,000 pesos. Okay.
Lamay lagi mga dako kag katong eleksyon.
Oh, 4,000 kini palit ba kog max.
Ani palit ay kuan ay.
Sakay ako. Oh.
Ang
Sana kay
target
Bliti.
kinintos na. 50 ka may gihatag na.
Okay, una na sad. Ernesto Samoka, last Totong Tugsok.
Ma'am, ang premium ibase lang sa auto ko may gagmay lang auto ngam gagmay lang premium la mo 5,000 mo.
Ayo, kay basin na rin makanser.
Ang utok ni ma'am.
Okay. Una, Ernesto.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the capital city of the Philippines?
Toledo.
Wrong! Wrong! Osa! What is the capital city of the Philippines?
From Cebu.
Ha?
Cebu.
Wrong! Duha! Last! What is the capital city of the Philippines?
Asturias.
Wrong! Next! Alimokoy!
Ma'am.
What is the capital city of the Philippines?
Quezon City.
Wrong! Usa! What is the capital city of the Philippines?
Davao City.
Duha! What is the capital city of the Philippines? Capital city of the Philippines.
Manila City.
Ha?
Manila City.
Manila City?
Oh.
Correct! 4,000!
naman ma'am.
Manila ragay.
Ngano na correct.
Na may city ang kuan. Next, Tatay Bisot. Tatay Bisot. What is the name of traditional Filipino martial art that uses sticks and combat?
Wushu.
Ha?
Wushu.
Wrong. Osa.
Kang stick.
What is the name of traditional Filipino martial art that uses sticks and combat?
Karate.
Duha. Last.
Fraternity.
Wrong. Tolo. Next. Tata Tagsok. What is the name of...
Bitaw.
Ha?
Wushu.
Wushu?
Oh, nagbunal stick.
Wrong. What is the name of traditional Filipino martial art that uses sticks and combat?
Si Paris.
Wrong. Usa.
Si Paris bitaw grouty man gamit ana.
Sticks and combat.
Kani grouty.
Wrong.
Dili kay kasabot og grouty ma'am.
Wrong na siya.
Blackjack.
Duha.
Unsa ka ito question ma'am?
What is the name of traditional Filipino martial art that uses sticks and combat?
Tino.
Ha?
Tino.
Si Tino.
Tino Candralo.
Wrong! Ang bidam, siguro yung bida. Ay, tag-an.
Dili ito mao de.
Wrong! Next, Ernesto.
Ma'am.
What is the name of traditional Filipino martial art? Ang martial art ba? That uses sticks and combat.
Watak ana. Watak.
Filipino martial art.
Umbak ma'am.
Ha?
Umbak.
Wrong! Osa.
Bruce Lee.
Duha.
Sayan, dili artista.
Dili artista. Ang martial pangan sa martial art ba nga nagamit ka og sticks og combat. Nagi na sa eskwelahan?
Wusyo gani. Wusyo may nga na ma'am.
Kasi eskulan. School. Arnes.
Ha?
Arnes.
Correct! 4,000! Arnis. Next. Alimokoy.
Pang tusulag ba?
Sis! Kuha na ba ito?
Arnis. Alimokoy. What is the largest island in the Philippines? What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Mount Manunggal!
Usa. What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Bantayan Island!
Wrong, duha.
Kabulan Island!
Tolo. Tatay Bisot. What is the largest island in the Philippines?
Mindanao.
Usa. Dili Mindanao.
Luzon.
Correct! 4,000. Next.
Masako mo ang Mindanao kaysa Luzon.
Toto Tagsok.
Ma'am.
Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
Sagot na ma'am.
Huh?
Sagot na.
Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
National project in the vulcanizing shop.
Wrong! Usa! Vulcan! Vulcan ba? Vulcan! Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape? Makikortar ba?
Puguan yung tao ni.
Vulcan ka.
Vulcan gani. Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
RB vulcanizing ma'am.
Mount Kitanglag in the
Mount Kito din dyan kaya siya na Mount Kitanglag.
Mount Kitanglag, vulcan man.
Mount Kitanglag.
Mount Kitanglag and the Canlaon horoscope.
Wrong, duha.
Ay katawa ka pakong
Last.
Katawa pa ko kamanga.
Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
Konsihal. Konsep.
Konsehal. Cone shape ba? Cone. Marag apa.
Konsabo.
Ha?
Konsabo and the Incorporated National Project.
Wrong, tolo. Next, Ernesto. Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape? Ernesto. Vulcan ba? Vulcan.
Vulcan lagi ma'am.
Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
Ako sa nani ma'am.
Vulcan.
Alimokoy.
Ako pa, saan galimok ko ako.
Okay.
Nakatuwa magkuhan ni sa unay.
Ano mo magkakaeskwela?
Pahinganli, mapangan, Vulcan.
Sa kuhan ma'am.
Which famous volcano in the Philippines that known for its almost perfect cone shape?
Pinakakuha na nga Vulcan no. Vulcan Mayon.
Correct! 4,000!
Mount Mayon?
Mount Mayon. Next, Alimokoy. Alimokoy. Who is the national hero of the Philippines, renowned for writing the Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo?
Digong Duterte.
Wrong! Usa. Who is the national hero of
Jose
the...
Rizal.
Ha?
Jose Rizal.
Correct! Correct! 4,000! Last Tata episode. Who served as the first president of the Philippines? Who served as the first president of
Emilio Aguinaldo.